Morning students, how are you all? Today we are going to start solution of chapter number 9, reproduction in animals. Choose the correct option. Internal fertilization occurs in female body, outside female body, in male body, outside male body. So internal fertilization always occur in female body, that is option A. Number 2, a tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of metamorphosis, budding, fertilization or embedding. So a tadpole develops into adult. That process is called as metamorphosis, that is option A. Number 3, the number of nuclei present in zygote is none, 1, 2 or 4. So in zygote only one nuclei is present, that is option B. What is formed by fertilization? Zygote, ovum, embryo or fetus. Zygote is formed by fertilization. Which process is essential for continuation of a species? Growth, development, reproduction or transportation? So the process essential for continuation of species is reproduction. If children there is no reproduction, the species can end very soon. In which type of reproduction is zygote formed? Asexual, sexual, cloning or budding? It is formed in sexual reproduction. How many matured eggs is or are released by one of the ovaries every month in women? 1, 2, 3 or 4? It is 1. What is the function of tail of human sperm? To transmit inherited character, to release energy, to fertilize an egg cell or locomotion and movement. So the tail of human sperm act as locomotion and movement. It allows the sperm to move. Which of the following is not a female reproductive organ? Ovary, uterus, fallopian tube or penis? So penis are not found in female reproductive organ. In which female organs does fetus develop? Ovary, uterus, oviduct or vagina? It develops in uterus. What is the meaning of IVF? Fertilization inside the body, fertilization outside the body, fertilization failed, fertilization not possible. So it is fertilization outside body, that is option B. By which of the following do frog egg hold together? Egg membrane, cell membrane, fertilization membrane or layer of jellies? So the eggs are held by layer of jellies. What time does the embryo take to develop into a chick in hen's egg? About a week, 1 week, 2 weeks, about 3 weeks or about 4 weeks? So it takes 3 weeks to develop into chicks. Tadpole is a development stage of the life cycle of which animals? Butterfly, fish, hen or frog? It is frog. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Reproduction is essential for the continuation of a dash. Reproduction is essential for continuation of species. If reproduction is not there, children, can we produce more species? Right? No. The sperm are produced in dash of man. So sperm are produced in testes of man. The structure of sperm contains dash, middle piece and a tail part. So a head, middle piece and a tail part. These are the 3 parts of sperm structure. By dash process, sperm and ovum form zygote, that is fertilization. Babies born through IVF technique are called dash babies. They are called as test tube babies. Frog sperms swim randomly in water with the help of their dash, with the help of their tails. Amoeba produces asexually by dash. It produces asexually by binary fission. Question number 3. State whether the following statement are true or false. Oviparous animals give birth to young ones. False. Each sperm is a single cell. True. External fertilization takes place in frog. True. A new human individual develops from a cell called gametes. False. Egg laid after fertilization is made up of a single cell. True. Amoeba reproduces by budding. False. Fertilization is necessary even in asexual reproduction. False. Binary fission is a method of asexual reproduction. True. A zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. True. An embryo is made up of single cell. False. Question number 4. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. What is reproduction? A process to produce new offspring of its own kind is called reproduction. यानी एनिमल्स जो खुद का ऑफस्प्रिंग यानी खुद यंग वंस को बॉर्न देता है, राइट, बर्थ देता है, उसे हम रिप्रोडक्शन कहते हैं. स्टेट द मेन मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. मेन मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इज asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. How is zygote formed? The zygote is formed by fusion of male gametes and female gametes. zygote कैसे बनता है? मेल और फीमेल gametes जब फ्यूज होते हैं तब zygote बनता है. In which organs are male gametes produced? Male gametes are produced in an organ called testes. Male gametes are produced in an organ called testes. Mention the other name of oviduct. The other name of oviduct is fallopian tube. Question number 6. Mention the type of fertilization. The two types of fertilization are external fertilization and internal fertilization. Which reproductive organ do not occur in pair in the body of man and female? Penis in man and uterus in woman do not occur in pair. These are the single organ of reproductive part. What is called fertilization? A process of fusion of sperm and ovum in sexual reproduction is called fertilization. जो प्रोसेस में स्पर्म और ओवन का फ्यूजन होता है सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? फर्टिलाइजेशन. व्हाट आर कॉल्ड टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबीज? बेबीज बोर्न इन आईवीएफ टेक्निक आर कॉल्ड टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबीज. जो बेबीज आईवीएफ ट्रीटमेंट से बोर्न होता है उसे हम टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबीज कहते हैं. गिव द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ विविपोरस एनिमल्स. द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ विविपोरस एनिमल्स आर human, cow, dog, etc., in which they give birth to young one. What are animals that lay eggs? Animals which lay eggs are called oviparous. जो animals eggs lay करते हैं उसे हम oviparous animals कहते हैं. For example, hen, duck, etc. Where does the fetus develop in an animal which shows external fertilization? So the fetus develop in an egg outside the female body in an animal which shows external fertilization. जहाँ पे external fertilization होता है वो एनिमल का फीटस उसके एग के अंदर फीमेल बॉडी के बाहर होता है. यानी जो फीमेल बॉडी एग्स देती है उसके अंदर उसका फीटस होता है. When does mother give birth to the baby? When the development of the fetus is complete in uterus of mother body, she gives birth to the baby. मदर बेबी को कब बर्थ देती है? जब उसके अंदर यूट्रस पूरी तरह से डेवलप हो जाता है। फीटस जो होता है वो यूट्रस में पूरी तरह डेवलप होके हो जाता है, तब बेबी को हम बर्थ देते हैं। With this we complete our session number, right? With this we complete our session. In next session we will continue with long answers and differentiate between. Thank you and have a nice day, children.